our way to our next call. Previous customer of mine that I sold a Reme Halo to. It's an air purifier and help her get some clean air in her home. So what I need to do is go directly in the middle on the back side of this, and the only way through there is down there or up through there. So we'll see what's gonna happen. All right, I'm gonna go low first. There's no way I can get into that. It looks like I've gotta hoist and drop down. For real, this is happening. I don't know if I can get back out, but I'm in. All right, well, hand me that hole saw right there. Thank you, sir. Rag right there first. And then there should be a baggie with some screws. Yes, sir. I need the template. Hand me, yep, that piece. And then the Reme Halo. Okay, what it does is it sends ionized molecules up through the ducting system and into the entire house, purifying all the air. Now the fun part. Help. I did it. Okay, we installed the Reme Halo. Everything's working great. So I'm gonna just go wrap up inside. The customer did say that they'd like to not be on camera. And so I'm gonna go back in, wrap up, and then I'll be back out in a sec. We'll go to the next job.